right, everybody. It's about 3:30 in the morning. Heading to pick up my buddy real quick. We're gonna head up to Pecos, New Mexico. Try to fish that river a little bit. Hopefully we can get on a good amount of trout. But it's gonna be a good day out there, and we will see you guys out on the water. Thanks for watching. Rich Fishing. All right, everybody. We are out here at Pecos River. We got a Panther Martin here. We're gonna cast out. Let's get around this corner. You guys can see some steel waters out here. We're gonna try to get in there with this spinner. Wrong way. I need to get it out into that puddle right there. Isaiah, I caught one. Heck yeah, guys. Check out this beaut. I forgot my net up there. But I do have my forceps here. Pretty good here. That's 2 for the day, guys. 2 for the day. That's what I'm talking about. You need anything else? I think I'm good. Yep.
Dude, I'm all strapped.
Well, you're fishies. We know you're here, whether you like it or not. Yeah. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna go up to this spot right here.
Good.
Fuck. That would have been dope.
Fuck it, somebody came up. They're only $8. I bought them from some train. Fuck it, put it in the bucket. Get some stuff.
Dude, watch. Look at how crazy these work for being some cheap ass ones. If you just stare at that area right there, or like at pretty much any of these areas. Fucking crazy, huh?
What does it do?
I guess it just fucking completely removes like glare.
I hope this fucking doesn't blow away. I hope somebody stops it.
Yeah, for sure. Rather someone come up than it just fucking go to waste.
Or end up in the water, you know? Oh.
You're a little feisty, dude. Damn, I got my rod all fucking tangled up here in my fucking net. Fuck. Dude, fuck yeah.
Oh, the lip? Please tell me it's called the lip.
Old lipper.
Alright, what did the judges say? Let's find out. Stop on the Yep, it was by the lip. Yes, sir. You get a now. I put one on the side.
You still have weight on there?
Huh?
You still have weight on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Angry little fucking go, what did you do that in? And I'm gonna get mad, I'm not allowed to have your phone. It's gonna be a good fucking poop.
That's gotta be that one that's been swimming around here fucking with it, huh?
There, bro.
Oh shit.
I let it glide, and he started hitting it a while back. I swear it's like, right where this clearing is, about 6 or 7 feet in is where I think I caught it. Woo! I smell like fish, but it isn't. Oh.
Just got on another one out here. It's a little guy. A little small fry, little brown. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, he died.
Yep.
Yeah. Little guy, son of a bitch. I just flung it out and let it go. Yeah, he hit it down that way. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Nope, I'm about to take them off now. Let's got this nice little freaking guy out here in Pecos. Still just hanging out right there by the rocks. Dude, he's chilling. Huh? Yeah, just right here. I just let it take off for like a couple of feet and freaking... he took that sucker. Got another one out here in Pecos, guys. Another nice little lip hook on them. And he's gone. Yeah, they're in here for sure. They're coming from fucking down there.